In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate text-to-speech using a very free AI tool called Hello AI. Now, to access Hello AI, you can search for it on the Google, or you can just come to helloai.video and it will bring you over here. So our main point for today, of course, you have to log in with your account, is the audio. So you can click on audio and you brought in over to this very platform. So once you're here, you can come over and select text to speech. And this is where you can paste in your text to generate the speech. You can actually use any of these presets if you want. And then over here, you can define the kind of model that you want to use. I want to keep it at default. And over here, you define who is going to be the reader for this particular text that you have inserted. So you can see we have different people. We have man with deep voice. If you want to have a preview, you can play to have.
Let me share with you what I've learned over the years. My experience has taught me that patience is truly a virtue.
Fantastic. If you want to hear or try others, you can see so many of them from here. But I think I kind of like this first guy, man with deep voice. So I'm going to click on use this, and you can save this also for future use if you're interested. Or you can just go ahead and click on generate, and this is going to generate your voice that you're going to be having. Now over here, you have the option to define the speed, the pitch, and the volume if you want to play around with. You can leave everything at default if you like what you had at the beginning. So you can go ahead and click on generate.
Welcome to my channel. I'm thrilled you're here. In this video, we'll dive into some exciting content to help you learn and grow. If you enjoy what you see, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos. Let's get started.
Now that is fantastic. If you want, you can regenerate and change what you hear, or you can regenerate this if you're interested. And once you like it, you can come down here and click on download, and this is going to download that video for you. You can just allow it, and it is going to download it very fast, and you have it for your own content creation. So if you found this helpful, please leave a like.